this is Liz. So today we're going to talk about the baby hair dryer. Dun dun dun! Oh. Dun dun dun! Today we're going to talk about this model. So we all know that after a bath, the baby's buttocks and hair is moist, is wet, right? Especially the baby's buttocks. It's always in a wet and moist state. If you wear a diaper without blow drying, it often leads to the itchiness, allergies, and redness. And here comes the baby hair dryer. First, baby hair dryer is much more convenient than you wipe the buttocks with a tissue. Second, the warm wind from the baby hair dryer is much liked by babies. So let's see how it looks. It is pink and small, very lightweight. And here you can see it fits my hand perfectly. Okay, let's see the button. You can see here we designed the safety lock. If you directly put it, you cannot start in the machine. You see here is a little button here. You can press the button and push the big button. It starts. So here we designed it to avoid the babies to start the machine accidentally. So press and push. It starts. Next we're going to talk about its speed and temperatures. It has 2 speeds and 3 temperatures. I'll show you the speed first. First speed. Second speed. Same as the second. We can see there's 2 speeds. And let's talk about the temperature. First, this is 37 degrees. This is 57 degrees. The third gear is indoor temperature. So why we designed like this? The 37 degrees, we all know it's same as our body temperature, right? So it is okay to our skin. And for baby, the buttocks skin is very sensitive, so we use the 37 degree to blow it. This is one of the reasons why we buy a baby hair dryer, because we know the adult hair dryer in the market is always almost like 60 degrees to 100 degrees. It is too much for babies, and it can easily cause allergy or make the allergies become serious. Next we'll talk about the radiation. We've sent this model to the inspection institution for test. So when they put the detect sensor here, hardly any radiation has been detected. Means it is very safe for kids to use. Last but not least, can you believe there is a anion emitter inside? So when you blow the negative ions will help to remove the bacteria and to create a clean and healthy environment for baby. This product, we got a good feedback from the market, especially from the mom's reviews. They told us that the safety lock is a very good design, and they also told us the first temperature, 37 temperature, and the second temperature, 57 temperature, is very good. 37 for Botox, 57 for hair drying. They all like it. And in order to increase some interesting, we will give some stickers, very cute stickers, for free to help the babies love use the hair dryer, and even more they were eager to use the machine by themselves.